Last Friday, I had the privilege of speaking at the Northern Kentucky University's 9th Annual Cybersecurity Symposium. Each year, the symposium gathers professionals in the realms of IT, healthcare, legal, and academia to discuss nascent legal issues in the area of information governance, privacy, and security. Here are a few of my top takeaways. First, we all know that data breaches are on the rise, but courts are now finding new areas in which standing can be conferred upon plaintiffs in class action lawsuits alleging harm from a data breach. Traditionally, courts will point to some concrete injury, such as actual evidence of current identity theft, such as an unverified purchase from a victim's credit card. But in recent months, some courts, such as the District of Connecticut, have found that fear or anxiety of future harm is enough to establish standing in these data breach cases. The main takeaway from this is that defendants in data breach lawsuits should anticipate having to go beyond the motion to dismiss stage in litigation and actually litigate potentially through summary judgment and even trial. Second, law firms are joining the ranks of financial entities and healthcare entities as prime targets for data breaches. Law firms often house the same information relating to an individual's financials or a company's financials, as well as protected health information that so many financial entities and healthcare entities currently hold. Cyber criminals see law firms as prime targets because of this information. So law firms should amplify their administrative, physical, and technical safeguards to impede intruders from taking this valuable information that your clients hold so very dear and entrust you with. Finally, companies are now employing new emerging technologies to safeguard information that their employees or their clients have entrusted with them. Examples include virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and biometrics, a topic that I spoke on at the symposium. Biometrics is the act of using human attributes that are signature to the individual, such as a retina scan or a fingerprint scan, to authenticate identity. This information is the gold standard in cybersecurity right now because it's very difficult to duplicate someone's fingerprint or retina. But cyber criminals have found new ways to spoof this information, and when that information is spoofed, victims may find that changing your fingerprint or your retina is much more difficult than changing a password, thereby making the victim even more vulnerable to exploitation and identity theft. Companies should make sure that they are safeguarding any biometric information that they are collecting just as much as they would financial information or protected health information that is susceptible to reputational or financial harm. Did you attend the symposium? Tell us what you think in the comments below. My name is Zachary Heck, and this is Faruqi Ireland & Cox's Cyber Law Update.